So we start with medical astrology today. First of all, the foremost thing that we come across is that whether one will have a good uh, health or not. That's the most important thing. And how do we decide about it? That's very simple. Basically, your lagna should be strong. The lagnesh should be strong, exalted maybe. And if that is the case, then we can say that. And if the lagnesh is placed in a kendra or trikona, angle in angles or trines, then we can say that the health will remain good. But if it is placed in 6, 8, 12, the health problems may be there throughout the life. So one may have a weak health. That is a simple exercise. But simultaneously, first of all, we would like to define again, like yesterday with the day in the previous class we did, that the lagna decides many things. So similarly, lagna decides here also that what kind of height you will have, what kind of nature you will have, what kind of personality you will have. So we can, as far as the health is concerned or the height is concerned, particularly what kind of like looks you will have, that we can define by lagna. And let's go one by one for lagna first, then we go into other details. So lagna, first of all, Aries people, they are normally tall and they have a slim body. They have a stout body, very strong build, because this is owned by Mars. Aries is owned by Mars, so they have a Martian capabilities. They look like they look very strong and rough and tough, and they work very fast, quickly. They are tall and they have good hair. Uh, Looks are, the long face. That is the personality. Then Taurus, they are short in height. Normally, almost the shortest in height, the Taurians are, unless and until it is the height is given by some other planet sitting in the ascendant. If there is any other planet sitting in the ascendant, then that will have an impact. But if there is no planet, then in that case, we can say that the lagna is prevailing, and lagna will give rise to one kind of status and stature. Then Gemini people, they are normally tall and they are slim. Yeah, Mercury is like a young boy, so they are always very active. So and they are slim and tall, and normally like 6 feet in height. And for girls, you can say that 5'3", 5'4" is the normal height for them.
So
Cancer,
for Taurus, you did not say the body type. You only said short and or average height.
no, I'm also telling that they are thin.
Taurus, they're thin.
Taurus,
Uh,
they are not thin. They are short and plumpy, a little bit plump, and uh, they have good hair on their head, and the face is roundish, and they are normally fair in color. Gemini, they are not fair in color normally. And Cancer, they are again not very fair in color, because moon does not give good color, but it gives you good looks. So they are very attractive in to look at, and they are again very short. The Cancer and the Taurians, they are the shortest in height. Cancerians, they are like height is 5'6", 5'5" for men. For women, it will be like 5 feet. And the main particular thing for cancers is that they have very thick hair on their head. They are, recognized by this, that they will have hair even at a very uh, long age. Till long age, they will have hair. They will not be bald at all. And hair on the body also, you can in men you can find full body full of hair. Then Leo, it is just the reverse. It is, Leos, they are uh, mediumly tall. I mean, they are not very, very tall, but they're tall. 5'10" to 5'11", that is the normal height of Leo. And they do not, they get bald very soon, right in the young age. They have very thin hair. And color also, they are not fair. Then and they have a robust body. So normally, if the planets are other planets are all okay, then they will not be ill at all. Normally, they are not. They are very strong. Then then Virgo. Virgo again, they are short, but not very short. Like they will be, the height will be 5'8". For girls, the height will be 5'1", 5'2", and they have again roundish face, a lot of hair on, and they also don't get bald very soon, and they have a good physique, and they are little, they are not thin at all. They have good body mass. Librans, they are tall and very attractive. They have again hair, in good hair in the beginning, but they get bald uh, at middle age, or maybe at 50, about 50, they start getting bald. So, uh, and they have a conical face. And again, or they become very plummy also. They become fat because they are always fond, they are fond of eating a lot. They eat not only at home but outside also. So they become fat very soon if they are not, though they are very good at playing also, the exercising also. So they try to maintain, but still they get fat. Then scorpions, they are uh, not very tall, but not very short. Like the normal height is 5'8", 5'9", and again they get, they also get fat. They have a tendency to get fat, but they get bald quickly. Sagittarius, they are again not very tall. We cannot call them tall, but they are not short either. So they're medium height, 5'9", 5'10", and they have good hair and long face. Then Scorpio, then Capricorn, they are tall. Capricorns are, they are tall, like 5'10" to 6 feet, and they also are very sturdy. They are very hardworking, and they are they tend to become fat but they are not normally fat. Then Aquarians, they are the tallest of all. They are normally 6 feet and above, and they are either very dark in color or they are very fair in color. They have a long face, and they have good hair, so they don't get bald quick, quickly. Pisces, they are tall, 10 to 6 feet, but again, uh, not very tall. They have a tendency towards tall. Actually, if you want to remember the whole formula, then you can say that the even signs, they are short, and the odd signs, they are tall. Most of the odd signs, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, they are tall. And 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 10, 12 are little, they have a good height, but 2 is the smallest height, 4 is then higher, then 6 is higher, 2, 8 is higher. So you can say that from smaller to taller, it's growing. 2 is the smallest height, 4 is better than 2, then 6 is better than 4, 8 is better than 6, and 10 is better than 8, like that. It is growing by with this number. And 12 is tallest in the series. Similarly, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they're all tall. They're all tall. 11 is tallest. And so this is in general, the table for looks and height, and what kind of hair they have. Now, for the if we want to understand and we want to talk about these problems, these health problems, then we have to first understand the body parts. Which body part is represented by what? This is the screen. This shows these are the 12 signs, and the 12 signs are represented by from head to the feet, like this. Aries, Taurus is our face, and Gemini is our neck and shoulders and the hands. All the hand, all this, both the hands are represented by Gemini. Cancer is then, because this whole is taken as one part. These hands and the shoulders is one part, and then the chest is Cancer. Leo is also near the this heart portion. Then Virgo is upper belly. Libra is near the navel part. Scorpio is our private part. Sagittarius is thigh. Capricorn is this knees. Aquarius the legs, and Pisces the feet. Okay, so this is the breakup of our signs, different signs.